game. Ano sabi ng ICI, sir?
Galing niya naman.
Sabi ng ICI?
Maganda naman yung usapan namin. I was able to brief them on how the procedures are done in the Senate, from the NEP to the GAB, House GAB, and into the Senate GAB, and the bicameral conference committee procedures. Ayun, nilagay ko sila kung paano. Saka they wanted to find out on how these insertions are done. So I explained to them how it's done. Sometimes there are individual amendments, institutional amendments, insertions, but pinakamasama sa lahat pagka mayroong insertion sa BICAM.
Anong reaction nila, sir?
Well, they were, I think they were very receptive of the information that I was giving.
Why do you think they want to know yung procedure? Lalo na yung mga...
Siyempre, it's best for them, the independent commission, to have a context of how legislation is done and how insertions are incorporated. Illegal insertions.
When you say illegal, paano illegal?
Illegal, pag tapos na ang third reading, nasa BICAM, magsisingit ka.
Ito yung mga small committee.
Illegal insertions.
Tapos, di ba sir, may small committee pa nga kahit after
yung small BICAM na tinatawag, yes. So, yun.
Illegal.
Hindi, ginagawa nila usually yun dahil mahirap yung masyadong maraming member ng BICAM kung ang pag-uusapan lang may mga 3 or 4 points. No? So talagang naggagawa talaga usually ng small BICAM. Pero kailangan ang lumalabas doon sa small BICAM ay approve nung regular BICAM, bigger BICAM, at saka maliwanag, at saka ika nga yung transparent.
Opo.
Yun yun ang gagawin natin dito sa 2026 budget para hindi mangyari ang ganyan at hindi ma-question yan. We will make sure that if ever there is a necessity for a smaller BICAM because of
minor issues,
marami na BICAM, we will still make it open to the public, live streaming open.
Pero sir, would you say that the ICI was particularly interested dun sa procedure ng small committee?
Yes. There were questions on that.
Like what? Like what did they ask?
Hindi ko matandaan lahat yung mga question nila. Saka, sometimes meron kami mga pinag-usapan na
off the record.
Yes. It's on record there. It's recorded. Pero I don't think I'm authorized to share to the public.
Sir, will they be able to get kaya yung minutes nung small committee? Kasi di ba yun yung problem sa... hindi tayo makakuha.
Yung tinanong nila sa akin sabi ko susubukan ko.
Hiningi?
On the part of the Senate, yes.
SP,
dahil ito, Senate, susubukan ko, sabi ko.
Yung insertion yung tinatanong sa inyo ng ICI, ibig bang sabihin ito yung direction na tinutumbok nila na doon sa investigation nila doon sa mga flood control projects na to?
Ang tingin ko, overall Ang tinitingnan nila, overall It's not confined to just
particular.
Tinitingnan nila kung paano nag-culminate into this huge amount of insertions na napunta sa flood control, na napunta sa ghost projects. We're looking at that.
So, hindi lang naman siya 2025, sir, no? So, it's already happening.
So how would you describe
years ago. Yan lang, lumaki.
How would you describe the temperament of the members in terms of maybe going at the root, going to the root? Paano, sir?
I think they're trying their best to get into the root of the matter and very inquisitive.
Yeah. Bakit? Paano, sir?
Hindi, maraming tanong
Mabubusisi.
All 3 commissioners, especially the chairperson.
Yeah.
Sir, you always willing to cooperate with the ICA?
Of course, I promised them that. In my parting words with them, I told them that the Senate will be very cooperative under my leadership. We will submit everything that will be uncovered by the Blue Ribbon Committee to them. Everything, all the evidences and all the statements that will be made, witnesses, we will be sharing it with them.
Sir, restate ko lang yung kaninang question. Yung Congress has stopped na yata yung Infracom. Kayo po ba? Kasi sabi nila, yung Infracom, yung House at least, sabi, best left to the ICI. Kayo po sir, sa Senate, syempre iba rin yung
meron pa kaming mga pending na mga issues So hindi namin pwedeng i-stop kagad